Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing this very colourful look today. I'm really hungry, so I'm not gonna drag on the intro for too long, but if you want to see how I got this look and the products that I used, just keep watching. Hi. Oh my god, I nearly choked on my spit. Alright guys, so I want to do a really colourful look today. I want to do like purple and pink, hence why I'm wearing like a purple jumper. Don't know if you've noticed, but like in all of my videos I'm wearing like black, grey, maybe a bit of colour here and there, but I'm really feeling the purple at the minute. So I want to do a proper purple you know, thing. And obviously the palette to do that with is my Carnival palette by bPerfect. I mean, these colours are stunning and I want to use them today. Yeah, I just want to do something really colourful. I don't think I've done anything like so for a while. Salute Mr. Magpie. There's a magpie on the roof outside my house. Do any of you like salute magpies for good luck? Because there's obviously one for sorrow, so you salute it so you don't get no bad luck. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to kick off with this palette first, and I will be using one of my Juvia's Place palettes as well, just because they are very good with colours too. But yeah, as you can see, brows done, primer done, let's get into it. My skin, I've really been suffering my skin at the minute. It's getting a lot better. I've been using a lot more masks. I've been using this mask that it's like you put it on right before you go in the shower, you leave it on for like 5 minutes or something, you let it kind of do its thing, and then you can use it as a cleanser in the shower, and it's been working, but it's just a bit of a pain in the backside, isn't it, when your skin just don't want to cooperate. So like I said, popped into my Carnival palette. I am going to go in with Foolish and buff that in, and for my base I did use the P. Louise primer, just because I've really been loving it lately, to be honest. So next I'm going to go in with a little bit of Funky right there. Yes, please get on my eyes. And you know me, I like to tap first before I blend. Then I'm going to go in with Wifey. And I always focus most of the product on the outer part of the eye, just because that's where I want all the drama to be, really. Now I'm going to go in with Guilty and mix it in with Wasted. This brush is really good for getting right into the crease. This is the Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease Brush. It's just perfectly shaped to just get right on in there. And I'm just gonna you know, make sure it's all kind of blended into one another using that transition brush that we used. And I'm going to use that Wasted by itself just to build up that intensity. I look like a purple raccoon at the minute. Great. I'm actually going to cut the crease with my P. Louise base. This is the white one, and I just kind of put a little dollop of it on the back of my hand. And I kind of swipe it, and then I open my eyes, you know, to find that cut crease. Then I do go into my Juvia's Place Magic palette, and I go into Faso, which is like this really pretty like purple blue shift shadow. It looks stunning on the lid. Then it's just time to kind of blend those bits together, where the shimmer and the matte shadows meet, just so we're not looking a bit crazy. And I'm just mixing Wifey and Guilty together. Just tapping. Right, I'm just gonna kind of catch up with the other eye and I should be right back. So as you can see, I've kind of done the same to both eyes now, but I did actually put like a bit of white eyeliner. I first tried with the NYX white eyeliner, but all it kept doing was like crumbling, and I could literally like peel it off, so I would not recommend this. This is utter shizer. So then I went in with my P. Louise white base, and obviously carved out what I wanted and set it with a loose translucent powder, and I've kind of like been like this for a couple minutes, hoping that it's definitely like set down. So yeah, that's kind of how I have done that. I'm then just going to do a little cheeky wing with my NYC liquid liner, following up with some mascara. This is the MAC Instaco Lash. Then finishing off with some unicorn lashes in the style Peachy Pie. Alright, so that's the eyes completely finished. Well, nearly completely finished. I'm going to move on to the face. For the face, I'm going to go with my Milk and Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I am going to then go in with my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Mont Blanc. Then with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Sand, I'm going to use that to kind of warm up the face. Then moving on with my NARS Creamy Concealer, and this is in the shade Chantilly. And just dragging it into the inner part of the eye and dragging it out. And then blending all that in. Literally don't know what I would do without a beauty blender, honestly. Then by putting some Fix Plus into my sponge, I'm just kind of dabbing that into the skin. I just feel like this puts a bit more moisture back into my skin and stops my foundation from going like all crusty and dried. I mean, I might not do that, but I like to think that it does. I don't know if you can hear, but my stomach is literally going mad. I think it's an indication that I've been filming for way too long. I need food. So the powder that I'm going in is with the Fenty Beauty powder, and I'm using the shade Lavender, which actually doesn't come off purple, by the way. One last dab under the eyes. I'm just going to look up and set that in place. Just setting the forehead. Then on a big fluffy brush, I'm also tapping that into the skin too. But it doesn't look like we've been sniffing something illegal then. So I am then going to go with my Too Faced bronzer. This is the light bronzer. And start going at it. And just bronzing the nose up. Then with my ABH contour kit, as per usual, I'm just going to go contour the cheekbones. Then to blush, I'm using my Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. Then I'm just carving everything out. So while we are baking, you know, looking pretty sexy, we're gonna finish off the eyes. So I'm gonna go in with Foolish and run that under the lash. I always like to drag it quite low down. I don't quite know why, but I just think it's more flattering on my kind of eye. So then I'm gonna go in with Wifey and Drop and Be Brush. There was just like no attempt of trying to even catch that. And just buffing that under too. Then I'm gonna go in with Wasted and run that under with a MAC 212 brush. Then going in my MAC Nylon. I'm going to use that for some inner corner highlight and some brow bone. Don't know why I'm saying some, but... Then just going to finish off the eyes with some lower lash mascara. So just kind of wiping all this away. I am just going to douse my face with a little bit of Fix Plus before I do my highlight. I'm going to go in with the Flower Beauty. This is the Strobe and Light, Shimmer and Strobe highlighting trio here. I'm going to go in with these two shades here. I think I say here quite a lot. And pop that on the cheekbones. This highlighting trio is gorgeous. I was trying to say amazing and gorgeous at the same time. Yeah, but this highlighting trio is just amazing, honestly. I think I paid like, what, like $7.99 for it or something like that in Superdrug. But yeah, if that's enough for you, then fair enough, you don't need to do any more. But I'm just going to have a little bit of a topper. I like my toppers. And I'm going to use the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Cocoa Bling. Just on the higher points of the face. Yes. And on the chin. Yes. On my wee nose. For lip pencil, I'm going to go in with my Kylie Cosmetics Bare Lip Liner. I'm going to go in with my ABH Naked Lip Liner. Dab a little bit of I'm Nude from Jeffree Star in the middle. And put a little bit of the Dose of Colours Barely There gloss on. And to finish off, I'm just going to use some Urban Decay All Night Spray. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this look. Thought I'd, just do something a bit colourful, see if you guys like it. Hope to see some comments about the stuff that you liked. I did not like that NYX line eyeliner. I need to go exploring for other white eyeliners because that is just not cutting it for me, I'm afraid. Sorry, NYX. But yeah guys, if you like this look, feel free to give us a thumbs up. Please give us a comment down below. Anything. How's your day going? What do you eat for breakfast? You know, casual chit chat, why not? Or, you know, talk about the makeup look, you know, that could help me out, you know. And I really hope you guys subscribe. That would mean the world to me. If you could subscribe, you know, help a girl out. Just saying, it would, yeah, it would mean the world to me if you subscribed. But yeah, those of you who have already subscribed and are here watching every single one of my videos, I really, really appreciate it. I hope you all enjoyed this video and I hope you all have a lovely day. And I'll see you later. Bye.